How to create and print brochure in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Canva application or go to the official website of Canva. Then choose the option of brochure and choose any one of the type. Once chosen, in the editing page, you can simply choose any one of the template which you like. Remove the object which you do not like in your design. Edit the text according to the style and font. Once you're done with the design, click on the share option at the top, go to download and make sure you have chosen the option of RGB best for digital quality. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to create and print the brochure in Canva. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.